Hey guys! Today we are going to be playing Sago Mini Babies. Yes, we have been playing with all of these babies over the past few weeks, and we've got one little baby to play with. Let's check out who it is today. Well, it is finally to play with Harvey the dog. Yeah! Okay, Harvey, so we are going to have a bit of a fly around and we'll see Nurse Octopus. And she is going to give us some bottle options. So, let's see. Let's try this one. Does Harvey like this? What does he think? He really likes that one, doesn't he? Yum, yum, yum. Does he like some milk too? No, he is not a milk puppy. Let's check out this. It looks very healthy, very green. It's exactly what we need for this brand new year. And the purple one. I'm not sure what's inside the purple one. It looks very juicy though. Okay, so Harvey has had plenty food. Let's see what else he can get up to. There's Robin. Hey Robin, how you doing? Oh. Hey there, buddy. How's it going? So we are heading outside. There's a squirrel in my swing. Get out of there, you silly squirrel. Okay, so if you've watched the other videos, then you will know you can bounce really high with the baby inside. Harvey is loving the bouncing. Yeah, he thinks that's pretty awesome. And we get to take down all the acorns in the tree. So we can make Harvey go super high in the sky. And there's a little nest with a dragon in it. And a gnome, would you believe it? And I think, yeah, there is a balloon and a monster. Okay, that's enough of that. It's got too scary. Just too scary. As you can see, the squirrel is back. Oh. To just drop into the paddling pool. And we have got Mr. Frog. He's in our paddling pool. And Mr. Heart, smiley face, sponge. Yeah, that's just what everybody needs. So guys, what you can do is you can chuck out these bat toys. And new bat toys will arrive to give Harvey a quick wash because he is a dirty dog. And we chuck away the heart again, and it's Mr. Octopus with a round head. There he is. Woo! And just come back, and we got Mr. Penguin. Hey, Mr. Penguin! You gonna blow some bubbles? Sure is. Okay, guys. So we are going to pick up Harvey and head back into the house. And we are going to check out what clothes there are for Harvey to wear. Okay, so we can put a crown on his head. Oh, he doesn't like that, does he? Oh, okay, we'll take it off. What about a top hat? Oh, yeah, you can look silly, don't you? A sailor? No, you don't want to be a sailor. Do you want to be pirates? Yeah, that's what he wanted to be all along. So a pirate would have a crazy mustache. Do you think? Maybe not. What about this one? That's pretty crazy. And another mustache. Oh, yeah, he likes that. Good job, buddy. And he's got a bandana. Keep his neck warm when he is sailing the 7 seas. Now let's see if we can find him an outfit that is fit for a pirate. Ice cream. Not likely. That was a 1970s pirate. Oh, a bone. What about a bone? Oh, he likes that. Let's see, what else have we got? Nope. cowboy. Looks like Woody. Superhero, Bumblebee. Okay, well, there is half a pirate. He's got a pirate's hat and a pirate's tash. Very trendy. But you guys can mess about with that when you download this app. Oh, hello, Jinja. How are you today? Yes, I think it is time to change Harvey's nappy. Yes, it is. Okay, so, yes, nice one, Harvey. He has filled his panties. And as you can see, he is quite a mess, so we will tidy him up. He is rather stinky. Put that in, and Mr. Robot is going to put a brand new nappy on. Good job. That was some teamwork, wasn't it, guys? Okay, and I think Harvey is rather hungry again, and he would like to have some fruit and vegetables. Yes, he would. So, first on the menu is some broccoli. I didn't think he was going to like broccoli, but he is loving it. And he also enjoying the banana. Let's see if he likes some peas. Ah, I got peas all over his face. Ha ha! Good job by me. Let's give him a quick wipe. I'm gonna load up some more food. Oh, he's not very hungry anymore. He is full up. So we are going to come back to square one. This is where we started, wasn't it, guys? Okay, well, I am going to head back to the homepage. Yeah. And how awesome is that? We have completed the set, yes, the complete series of Sago Mini Babies. You can watch all of the other videos. Just check out our channel or maybe do a quick search on our channel for Sago Mini Babies. There are quite a few videos that we have done. Okay, guys, well, if you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to share it on Facebook with all of your friends so they can watch it too, that would be super awesome. But most importantly, please remember to click the subscribe button so we can keep you up to date with all the latest gaming videos. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye for now.